Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you all. I've had a lovely break. I'm back at my nail desk. We're just going to jump right into this one because I have a box of Madam Glam goodies that I am so excited to try out that the lovely Karina sent me. So we're going to be doing a really nice design today with these. Here they are. I got to choose a few of the colours as well too, but two of them I don't remember choosing, so I'm wondering if she slipped those in as a bit of a surprise. But let's get swatching them. The first one here is called Wet Bandit. This is from the Home Alone collection, by the way, and it's a beautiful peacocky kind of blue. And then we have Frizzante, which is a pearly pink. These are all cat eye gel polishes, these ones, these colours. I'm not usually a fan of cat eye, to be honest with you, but I am looking forward to working with these. This one is Home Alone, which is what I would call like a true sapphire. It's really pretty. And then Buzz, which is a beautiful metallic green. So then we have, this one is Terrazzo, and it is a kind of speckled grey one. I don't remember this. I don't even think I'm saying it right. But anyway, I think I'm going to do a design with this maybe next week. I want to have a play about with these. And then this one is Agate. Again, I'm probably not saying that right, but this is more pinky undertones, and there's even a slight sparkle in it, which I don't know if the camera's picking up, but it's really pretty. I have my tips ready to go, and I'm using my little tip stand from Painted and Posted. You can check those out on Instagram because they have such beautiful nail art accessories, so go have a look at those. Okay, so jumping into the first nail design, and for this one here I am using Home Alone, which is that sapphire colour, and that kind of true sapphire colour. I can't remember the last time I've used a colour like this, so yeah, I wanted to do a set. I just think it's a bit too early for me to go into the pastels, but I don't know, it's kind of like that really weird time of year at the minute because you kind of want to go into pastels, but at the same time you're kind of like still in the sort of, you know, the more richer colors. But anyways, we're gonna run with it, guys. We're gonna run with it. So I've done 2 coats of this here. It is actually quite sheer, but it's very beautiful, and if I had one of those magnet things I would give the cat eye a go. All I'm going to be doing on this nail is adding some crystals, and I'm only going to show you this here on one nail because I'm basically mirroring this design. And this is using the Nail Chemie Crystal Totalis, I think, which Natalie bought me for Christmas. Thank you, Nat. And I'm also using my little thumb palette that, oddly enough, Kelly got me for Christmas as well too. So yes, I am a lucky nail tech using all my new goodies here. And again, by the way, this little thumb palette is from Painted and Posted as well. It was actually Kelly that introduced me to her stuff, and I have to say they're absolutely beautiful. Also, working with this Crystal Totalis whenever you're putting on crystals, oh my days, what a difference it makes. No more slip sliding about. It is brilliant. I am absolutely chuffed. The difference a good gem glue makes, yep, I'm all for it. So crystals have never really sort of been a major thing for me, but I'm really getting into them now. And obviously, you know, I watch a lot of Natalie's videos, and I love her crystal placement. So so she's inspiring me. All of you guys inspire me with your nail designs. Anyway, I shall stop waffling, getting on here to the next design, and I'm just going in with 2 layers of white gel polish. Whilst that's curing, I'm breaking up some of this gold leaf. Now you can buy gold leaf, obviously all sort of, you know, broken up, or else you can do it yourself, but I had literally just lifted a little chunk out of my stash and just broke it up myself. And then using some decals, this is the Peacock Posies from Nail Sugar and the water decals, because I thought these colours would look absolutely beautiful. They're very rich and they're really nice colours on this. So as you can see, I'm just dabbing the back with water. If you've pools of water in your decal, you're using too much water. It doesn't need to be soaked that much. And then you just basically remove the back and just stamp it down on a tacky layer. a cured tacky layer, if that makes sense. So your inhibition layer is best, and it will also be very good as well too for you know, the like of this here for the gold leaf if you're wanting to apply that. This nail is going to be matte, so the gold within it is really just an extra feature. I just kind of wanted to do something, I don't know, just a little bit sort of gold just to tie in with the crystals, because the crystals that I used were, I think, the ghost ones. They have a beautiful, like a beautiful goldy tone to them. They are absolutely gorgeous anyway. So there we go. So once I have that applied, then what I usually do is I go over with base coat, and I will seal that then with matte top coat, and that will be that nail done, as you can see there. See, that's me just encapsulating it all. I think I actually used 2 coats of matte though. So anyways, base coat, matte, whatever you want, just get it encapsulated. And then on then to what would be our final design, because I'm kind of mirroring these, so I don't sort of like, you know, want to show you guys, you know, me doing the same thing over and over. But whilst I have that frizzante curing, I'm actually putting out a line of white, black, and then another colour which I think is called Kiss or Lie by Madame Glam, which is this really kind of beautiful raspberry colour. I'm just swirling that through, and then I want to kind of create almost like a sort of like a marble geode kind of effect. That's what I was going for, and I'm just letting the colours kind of blend in and doing their own thing there, as you can see. My marble needs a bit of practice, but I was actually happy enough with it. This is an ombre brush, by the way, that I'm using. So I just kind of wanted to do round the edges of that. And as well as that there, then I wanted to add in some glitter. So I did use some gold dust in this, which you'll see in a bit. All I wanted to do here was kind of like bleed out the edges with a little IPA. So that's all I done there, just to kind of, just to soften it out a bit. And then this is me then dipping into some gold digger to add a little bit of sparkle, because it just finishes it and it pulls everything else together. I love a little bit of sparkle within marbles. I just think it's so pretty. And then we're going to go in for a cure, and then we'll get that encapsulated too. Ta-da! So there we go, guys. That is the finished set. I don't know, I feel like a bit of a novice because I've been away from my nail desk designing for so long. It's really strange getting back into it, but this was a fun set. I'm so glad to be back, and yeah, and just, you know, doing nail art again. It is so lovely. So especially after the holidays where you feel all refreshed and you're ready to go. So anyway, guys, thank you so much indeed for watching, for joining. Have a wonderful week. I will be back next week, and like I say, Happy New Year. I hope 2022 is amazing for us all. So thanks for watching, and see you all again soon. Bye.